Hello, fourth grade. I hope everybody's having a great week, and I hope you had a great break. What we're looking at now is set models for fractional reasoning, and it's just looking at a picture and saying, okay, if I look at the picture, the first one, it says, can you see 1/3 of the whole? So when we think of 1/3, one part is equivalent of the total 3 parts. So for me, when I look at this, I think of, well, wait a second. If I broke this up into 3 equal parts, so maybe I break it up this way. So I have one part of 4. So here's my first part of 4. Here's my first part, second part, third part. So I can look at that as 3 parts and 1/3 of that. So in other words, that could be my 1/3 of the whole. Another way you could have said it is you don't have to do all 4 parts together. You could say, well, what if I took those and said, okay, well, that's my 1/3, because if I break up the other 3 parts, there's 4 there, and then there's 4 there. So again, there's multiple ways you can do it, but you're just recognizing that one of the parts out of 3 is what makes that true. Kind of like down on the bottom. We say, can you see 4/8 of the whole? Well, the first thing is with the squares, you actually have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wait a second, I have 16 squares. I don't have the 8. So I broke this into 4 out of 8. Wasn't 4 out of 8 the same as 1/2? So couldn't I break this, if this whole thing's 16, couldn't I say, well, half of these, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So wouldn't that be half of the total amount? So wouldn't that be the same as 4/8 of the whole? Or maybe you didn't break it up like that. Maybe you said, well, I look at it as breaking it into equal parts, and I say, well, if I drew a line here, I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So half of them can be divided that way as well. That's just another option. Again, what's neat about these is just you looking at the image and deciding what part works, and then in words describing it. So if you have any questions, please ask, but hopefully this helps guide you through your fractional reasoning for this week. Thank you.